In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from your bank account to Apple Pay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the wallet app on your iPhone. If your goal is to simply use the money from your bank account for Apple Pay purchases, you need to add your bank's eligible debit card to your wallet. So on your wallet app, I want you to tap the add button and then select the debit or credit card, then tap continue. You can scan your physical debit card using your iPhone's camera or enter the card details manually. And of course, follow the on-screen instructions to verify the card with your bank. Once the verification is complete, your debit card will be available in Apple Wallet and can be used with Apple Pay. But sometimes, depending on your bank, you might wanna need to log into your bank issuer or card issuer. For example, in my case, I am using Citibank, but the process is similar to all bank card issuer. And after the transfer or addition is completed, you can return to your Apple Cash card because the bank card has been added to your Apple Wallet. If you're using Apple Pay with a debit card instead, there's no separate Apple Pay balance to maintain because purchases are charged directly to the card you just have added. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can use your bank to Apple Pay. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.